Steve Bannon bets Trump will be kicked off ballot. Far-right political commentator Steve Bannon predicts that former President Donald Trump will be booted from Colorado's 2024 ballot amid the ongoing legal challenge to his candidacy in the state. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than Trump is facing a lawsuit filed by watchdog group Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington, CREW, which is seeking to block the former president from appearing on the state's next presidential ballot over charges filed against him in the January 6, 2021, attack on the U.S. Capitol. The case is based off Section 3 of the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which states that anyone who participated in an insurrection is banned from running for public office. Attorneys for the former president have filed 5 separate motions to dismiss the case, but all have been rejected by Colorado Judge Sarah Wallace. Trial for the case begins Monday, and Wallace has said that she hopes to decide on the case before Thanksgiving. Bannon, who served as Trump's chief White House strategist, predicted during Monday's episode of his War Room podcast that Wallace is bound to side with CREW's argument, accusing the judge of being biased against the former president. Bannon specifically bashed Wallace for not recusing herself from the case, a request that had been filed by Trump's campaign because of a donation the judge had made to the liberal group Colorado Turnout Project in October 2022. According to the Associated Press, Wallace, who was appointed to the bench by Democratic Colorado Governor Jared Polis, dismissed the assertion that she had any preconceived bias in Trump's case and said she didn't recall the donation until the former president's team filed the motion. "Now look, this has nothing to do with the law," Bannon said during Monday's show. "What you're watching is the demise of this country." Bannon continued by calling CREW's legal argument made up and blamed the case on elite Republicans who are seeking to block Trump from winning in 2024. CREW's lawsuit was filed on behalf of 6 Colorado voters, including 2 former Republican lawmakers in the state. "Understand this. There is nothing the elite class will not do to take your voice away," Bannon told his listeners. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than. "They will break any law. They will go against any custom or tradition we've ever had," he added. "And to me, this only makes Trump more powerful. Here's what's going to happen," Bannon continued. "She's going to rule that Trump is an insurrectionist and is going to recommend to the Secretary of State immediately with a court order that President Trump be removed from the ballot for 2024. Trump has previously called the group behind the Colorado lawsuit slime balls, and claims that the insurrection clause of the 14th Amendment does not apply to him. Legal experts have been largely divided on whether CREW's argument is sound and will succeed in removing Trump from Colorado's ballot. A similar case to remove Trump from Minnesota's ballot will be heard by the state's Supreme Court on Thursday. Newsweek has reached out to Trump's campaign via email Monday for comment.